Hi dear customers, I'm so great to continue introduce this newest model nylon zipper center core machine for you. So the last advancement is the system of this machine for fitting oil automatically, and because fitting the oil automatically, so that is why this machine speed is very quickly. Let me show you this function. So now let me take you to see this oil fitting automatical system. So by this system, that is why this machine running speed is very quickly, and the machine working steadily. So if you are interested for this machine, you can send message or email to us anytime. We will explain to you more details information about this machine. Thank you for your interest in. Now we will operate this machine and show to you the running situation. Thank you.